Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at InfoComm 2017. I'm here with Rob Abbott, Director of Product Marketing for Nureva. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning, Gary. How are you?
Doing well. At ISE, you took me through a hardware tour,
Yep.
and now you're going to take me through a software tour of the Nureva span system, because you've done a lot of updates since ISE.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, absolutely. At ISE, we were really focused on our new hardware models. Since then, we've been really heads down on new software functionality with a real focus on group creation and functionality that could really light up what happens when a group of people come together to create new ideas.
So show it to me. What is QuickShare? I know that I see a little logo there for QuickShare.
Yeah, exactly. So QuickShare is a piece of functionality that, as an owner of a meeting, I can trigger quick sharing, and when I do that, a group is created that anyone in the room can then contribute from their phones or any mobile device, ideas, pictures, or sticky notes. So as an example, we were brainstorming before you came in, said let's help Gary out with day one of InfoComm and say, well, what are the main themes of InfoComm this year? So as we're talking, you can see the team is coming up with a bunch of great ideas. This is just coming straight from their phones.
So they're contributing this content just through text on their phone, and whatever they put on their phone appears here.
Exactly. This could be images, photos, sticky notes, and the interface is super simple. Our target were people that have never seen spam before, but have seen a sticky note pad. So this is actually just replicating a very simple digital sticky note pad, and so they're throwing up ideas as quickly as you can. Pull a sticky note from a tab of paper. Once it's in the QuickShare session, you can see it's all interactive. It's all very flexible, and now we have it in the context of the overall span session that we've been working on.
He took a picture of us and put it up there that quickly.
Yeah, exactly. It's ad hoc, it's fast, and it's simple.
Wow, that's really neat. Can I see the interface on the phone? Can I see that? Sure. So basically, this is the interface on the phone. It looks like a little sticky note, but it's got a little camera icon there, so I can basically put up anything I want.
Exactly. 3 buttons, and again, we're targeting the user who is used to analog tools, and we're trying to help them convert to digital and the benefits of that.
All right, so I'm going to show this to the camera. See that right there? This is the interface that they have. They're just typing in text there, and there's a little camera where I can take a photo. So I could theoretically take a photo. Oops, cancel. I'm going to take a photo. Try this and see if I can do it. I'm going to take a photo of you there. So then I got this photo, and I want to use that photo. What do I do? Just yep, boom. So then I do that. And my photo, did I hit it button? There you go.
No, that's the other photo.
Oh, there it is. There it is behind there. Okay, so there's the photo I just took. Wow, it's that fast. It's that easy.
So there it is. Yeah, so that's the first thing we want to show you. Now let's walk to the second part of the booth. I want to show you another cool feature.
And that's called QuickShare?
QuickShare.
And that's built into anybody who does an update on their system. They automatically get this.
Right. That's shipping today, available for all SPAN users.
All right, we're going in over here, around the corner here. We're going to their demo conference room that they've got built here in the booth. And we're going to do a little demo here real quick. So we're kicking people out of here really quickly here. Oh, we got a lot of power here. So let's try this. Yeah. Oh, we're going to let one more person go. So tell me what I'm looking at here. Now, obviously, this is a traditional span system, it looks like.
Yeah,
right
absolutely. Yeah, nothing fancy about the hardware.
With an HDL 300 at the
With
top.
an HDL, yeah, they work really well together to promote active collaboration, just like we're doing here, standing in front of a board. So building on what we just saw with QuickShare, we kind of take that idea from not only sticky notes and images, but how could we extend that metaphor to live applications? And that's one of the #1 questions I get asked.
Like computer applications.
Computer applications. People ask, how does this work with AutoCAD? How does this work with Excel? How does this work with PowerPoint? Right. And so what we did with our release 7, which is coming July 12th, is add in a screen sharing feature. And so it works really simply in things that you're familiar with. So you, as a remote attendee, join the same canvas that we're sharing and working in, and then you can just share live apps from your computer. So as you can see here with Dan's computer, he has a PowerPoint file open, and he has some content on PowerPoint. In the span session, I can just go over to the screen button, and you can see all of the live shares that are sitting there on deck. And so all I have to do is take this live window, drag it into the canvas, and you can see it is initializing. Now what we have is not only do we have the content, pre-created content, notes, stickies, images, but now we actually have a live screen share from Dan's laptop.
So this is literally screen scraping and sending there. And whatever he does to change anything on here is going to appear here. So it's how many frames per second, what's the connectivity, all that kind of stuff.
It's based on WebRTC, so it's very snappy, and it's it's things that latency is a matter of seconds based on your typical processing power and Wi-Fi networks. Trade show environments aren't known for being the snappiest Wi-Fi scenarios, but you can see he's updating PowerPoint slides. We're seeing it within maybe 2-3 seconds of latency. Now, where this gets powerful, because lots of applications can do screen sharing, where this gets powerful is you're sharing multiple screen shares in the context of a shared canvas. Right. And so what we're really trying to do is create very live, dynamic, collaborative environments. Now, we're recommending up to 4 in the first release, but we've been testing 10 plus. So imagine 10 plus live shares of applications across a distributed team. You have the ability to resize, to move, to take captures, and pull your live content into the context of your canvas. And so then you have a persistent, ongoing record of the live shares as a part of your collaborative session. So you see here, we just took a screen share and capture of that live session.
So I can see this in like an application where, let's say, the different subcontractors are collaborating on building a smart building or something like that, and each of them dials in, and you got the electrician, the plumber, the physical contractor, the main contractor,
yeah, exactly,
all collaborating on their own layer of the building.
That's right, and so SPAN is not meant to replace all of these other applications. It's meant to be a container and a place for all of them to come together. Yeah. So when we look at our users, we're trying to stay in the workflow they already have. They're already using AutoCAD for design. We're just giving them a tool and a creativity platform to build on. And so really that's what we're focusing on with Release 7. So
if I'm on the far site,
yes,
and I have a SPAN system on my end, I'm seeing the exact same content in both locations?
Exactly. Everyone has shared context of the static content, images, notes, your written context, and now live shared screens.
So this is called screen sharing.
Screen sharing, yeah. We're keeping it really simple and easy to understand.
I get that. And we were using a Windows laptop, but I'm a Mac user. It would work with a Mac?
Yeah, it's all based on Chrome. It's Chrome based, so you're in a SPAN session on Chrome, and we support other browsers, but Chrome is really our sweet spot. And the screen sharing is built right in. You don't have to leave SPAN. It's a nice, easy workflow, familiar. Pick your application, pick your screen, share it, and it shows up.
All right, so this is an automatic update. This is in version 7 of the SPAN software.
That ships July the 12th.
July 12th. Okay, it ships July 12th. And if you're already, it's a SaaS model, so if you're already a SPAN user, you're going to get it automatically.
You wake up on July 12th, and the update is there for you, and you didn't even know it.
Yeah, and the cool thing is, it sounds like the cycle. I talked to Nancy earlier today. It sounds like the cycle for updates is about 90 days or so, and you automatically get those as part of your model
exactly,
as a SPAN user.
Yeah, exactly.
So, all right, great. This is great, Rob. Thank you very much for showing this. Of course, if you want to understand SPAN better, you need to talk to Nureva. Go to nureva.com and find your local rep, and they'll get you in touch with the right integrator that can handle it. Or, of course, you can see all their videos that you've got on your website at nureva.com, or go to Rave Pubs and look at all the videos we've shot about Nureva. So thanks, Rob. Thanks for joining me, and good luck today at InfoComm.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Thank you.